Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com, taking a look at natural gas on the 4-hour time frame. We have, as such, moved outside of this downtrend line finally, and I'm going to show you something else in just a second. We could see a little bit more upside here, potentially, hitting that 267, 270 level, and then looking for another move down to test the lows, potentially even breaching below the 253 level and then kind of bouncing upwards to close out the week. We'll have to see how that plays out. But let's look at the hourly time frame, which is really where the bread and butter is for the analysis here. We've been fighting with this 50-period moving average, and I like to use the moving averages. They give a good indication of whether or not prices are starting to switch into bearish or bullish mode. So with the 50 on the hourly, when the price is above and it's maintained, you're looking at the price action to continue in a bullish fashion. And in this case, we should be looking for a test of the 200 on my chart, which is around 270, as I mentioned just a few moments ago. And then from there, I think that we're going to see the price kind of just dwindle in this area. So I'm going to go back to the daily time frame here and just kind of point out that we are just essentially going to be looking at a um, consolidation or range bound activity. At least that's what I think we're going to be seeing. Let's go to the weekly time frame and you'll understand a little bit better why I'm thinking that way. So this is the weekly time frame, and as I zoom out a little bit here, yes, I am still expecting prices to melt down to around 212 at some point in time. Not yet, but that is the area that I'm anticipating. So for right now, I think that the 251 level 250 should end up holding. Do we breach a little bit below it and then grab it back? Probably. I wouldn't throw it out the window, but I do expect prices to range between 251 and around 280, let's say, to the upside, and then we'll be kind of trading along this downtrend trend line as well as this horizontal support area before we do see a break in either or direction. But I am obviously looking at the downside as more probable at this time until otherwise proven. So that's what I'm seeing for natural gas. It's going to be quite volatile in this area. Keep your eyes on those lower time frames like the hourly. It's definitely going to give you the clues that you need if you're going to be trading the situation. Right now, I am putting my attention elsewhere, but that's what I'm seeing for natural gas. Maybe a little bit upside near term 270, and then revisiting the lows potentially around 540 or so, and then kind of just trading between 250 and 280.